Figaf at your fingertips. In this release we have added a new feature. This is the progressive web app. This is something that would allow you to install Figaf on your local desktop as an client application that is just using a web browser. But it is really simple to get started and it gives you a lot of benefits. So whenever you start Figaf, you can see the icon up here. You can say, do you want to install? Yes, please. And then you have it installed. You can add it to the taskbar. And now you have access to Figaf tool in this browser window. And you can then close it. If you want to start it, you have it in your icon and being able to access it immediately. You can see what backend it is using. All in all, just makes it so much easier to access the tool and being able to manage your SAP integrations. I hope you like this feature. It's a part of our 2401 and you can see more about this in the description. Thank you.